Hello everyone. I know it's been a while, but I'm gonna repot my plants today. Most of them haven't been repotted since college or living in Salt Lake, which has been a few years, so they definitely need it. And it's finally kind of warm enough to bring them outside to do it. I didn't want to do it inside because it's really messy, so it needed to be warm enough outside to do it. So I think today's finally the day. First things first, let's get the plants out here. I did get some little herbs. I got some basil, thyme, and spearmint. We will see how these do. The last time I had these, it didn't go so well, but I also just never watered. So hopefully this will be a little bit better. I also got these cute little guys, which are amazing, so we'll see how these do. Alright, I got cactus soil because those ones have definitely never been repotted, and then just indoor potting mix. I painted this pot last night, and if I decide I don't like this, then I can just flip it around. Alright, I'm gonna start with the succulents because they have been in the same soil since I got them. So let's do that first. I thought this little guy would be so cute in this pot that I've had for a while. So let's do that one. This plant I got in college, and it didn't have any of these little shoot outs. It was just these two main stalks here, and it's so cool to see it grow. It's very slow, but noticeable, and I love it so much. But one of the legs fell off this thing, so I need to glue this back on and also just repot it into a bigger pot. So what I like to do is put soil in and make a little hole so that when you put it from here in there, it has a spot for the roots, and then pack it all in, because otherwise it's just going to sit on top, and that's just the way I was taught. So this soil is super rotten and needs to come off. So I'm just gonna fill this hole here and try and be gentle so I don't wreck the roots. Alright, I'm gonna plant the herbs quick. Camera might die, but that's okay. I had an incredible snowboarding season, but I'm definitely ready for summer and for it to be warm. It's supposed to get to 70 degrees this week, so I'm excited about that. I don't have any huge summer plans. I think I'm going to stick around where I'm living to save money, but it's a beautiful place to explore, so can't be that bad. Work is going well. Personal relationships are doing pretty good. I'm definitely in the season of change where exciting things are happening, and I'm pretty happy, trying to enjoy life a little bit. I'm also just kind of looking for some sort of change, and I don't know what that is. I don't really want to move because I like where I am, but I need something, and I need to figure out what that is. But I do know that I really want to try growing my own food. Renting, it's really hard to do that because I don't want to build any boxes or anything here because it's not going to be a permanent place that I'm at. So we're going to start with just trying stuff in pots, see if that works. I just want to live a slow summer this year. Last year I tried to do a lot in a short period of time. So I'm going to try and do the opposite. I don't want to feel like I'm wasting my life away, but just be more relaxed, I think, is the right word. Still going to go on a lot of hikes and camping, but I don't need to do it all in one summer. And the summers are short, so I want to enjoy them, but there's other ways to enjoy them than traveling. This spider plant was given to me by my mom, and it is so root bound, so I need to replant that. But there's little babies that I'm going to take off and put in a new little pot. But I love plants that you can you can propagate. It's so fun. Giving them as gifts is also so nice and special. And I'll always think of my mom when I see this plant. And I think it's such a good gift. All right, I am all done. There's a lot here, and it took all day, but that's okay. It was really relaxing and nice, and I feel accomplished, which is good, and it was really good for the plant. A lot of them had like a little bit of mold or were root bound, so it was definitely needed. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye.